Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can easily download Netspend application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily download Netspend application on your Android device, so simply go ahead and tap open your Play Store. In the search box, search for Netspend by typing it in the text box and search. Once you find the application, simply tap on the install button and download the app on your Android device. Wait until the download is done, and there you'll be able to download Netspend application on your smartphone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.